Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my long purple blinged out nails. So I have chopped off and taken down my old set because we're going to create a new set here. So this is what we're starting with. And there I'm pointing out on my thumb, I took out a chunk of skin with my e-file because I was watching TV as I did this, and the show got interesting and I was watching the TV while I was e-filing. And yeah, don't recommend doing that. But moving on, I'm priming my nails with my Young Nails Protein Bond. I love this stuff, my favorite primer that I've used. But I do use the entire Young Nails base system, so it all works together. But I do 2 coats of the primer. I'm going in with my forms and I'm sculpting out my nails. So this first part you'll see me sculpting out all of my nails because I am creating a full set. So I start with doing the tip first. I sculpt the tip how I like it. I do a flash cure in between each nail so that way it is all set, doesn't move around. And I did decide to go fairly long today. I was tired of my coffin nails. I really wanted to go back to the pointed nails, so I thought, let's go ahead, go big, and I wanted some long nails. I haven't had like super long nails in a little while, and I was just like craving it. So once all of the tips are sculpted out, I go back in with my base gel, and my base gel I lay down all the way from my cuticle, overlapping a little bit over onto the free edge just to get that all set in place, and then I give that a full cure. Once that is fully cured, I take off my forms. Here is what they're looking like. They're still really thin. This is just the tips sculpted out. I still have to build up the nail. But before I build up the nail, on 2 of them I am going to be encapsulating some glitter. So here I have some glitter from Glitter Heaven Australia. This is Lady Luck. It is a super pretty, like purpley, iridescent glitter mix. It's got some stars in it as well. Super pretty. And I'm going to go in and place a thin layer of my build gel down. And then I sprinkle on the glitter and pat it in, and then I do cure the glitter into the gel. So I do this for my pinky and my pointer nail. And here I'm going in and I am encapsulating that glitter and building up the nail. I have already built up the nails on the rest of my fingers off camera, but I thought I'd include how I encapsulated the glitter. You do want to work a little bit thicker just so that way none of that glitter moves. And then you'll go in afterwards and of course finish file everything. I did finish file off camera. It is very hard to file on camera, and I have a few clips in a couple of my videos of doing it, so definitely watch some of my other videos if you want to check that out. But I have all my nails filed the way I like them, and I have them cleansed, and we are ready to go on with the rest of the design. So I'm going to go in with Fly Elegance's Lazy Day Lavender. This is a beautiful springtime lavender, came out in their spring collection. It is gorgeous. I've been dying to use this, so I thought I'd finally do this. It paired perfectly with that glitter I already had, so it worked out. But I'm going to go ahead and do 2 coats of this on my 2 middle fingers as well as my thumb. And now that I have my purple base color down, I did want to go in and do one nail, do some larger crystal clusters. So here I'm taking my new gel adhesive from Jelly Nails 1. She just sent this over to me. If you want to watch my Easter and spring unboxing, it came in that one. I'll leave a link to that video down below. But this is the first time that I am testing this out, and I'm so excited. And how cute is this packaging? And then for the crystals, I'm going in with, these are just some larger oval but pointed, I don't know what this shape is called, but just some larger crystals here. And then I do go in and use some circle crystals. I'll be using crystal 8B and crystal shimmer. So I do use a dotting tool to apply this crystal gel, and the consistency is fairly similar to that of the Daily Charm Stay Put Jelly that I stand by. So that's why I'm putting this one to the test, see how this one does against that one. This one might be slightly runnier, but it's a fairly similar consistency. And so I go in, I place a big one right in the center, then I start working my way out, and then I work my way down. I will be filming a video reviewing it. It'll probably be a while because I want to test it on some different nail sets, but definitely look out for that in the future. Make sure you're subscribed. So once I got the crystals on there and cured, I wanted to add a little bit something to my thumb. I left my middle finger plain, but I didn't want the thumb plain as well, so I actually go in with Light Elegance's Mochi Please, which is from a spring collection 2 years ago, I believe. It's this pretty lilac matte glitter, and it does have a few little shimmery glitters in it as well. And I just do a glitter fade going from the cuticle down on the thumb. And now I'm going to go in with some stamping. I'll be taking my Sally Hansen's Razzmic Berry, which is a pearl, kind of a plum berry shade. And then I'm taking this plate. I'll write the name of it on here. I think it's Born Pretty, but I will write what it is up here. And I'm going to take this first design here that kind of comes down to a point. And I'm going to stamp this on my pointer finger. I wasn't originally going to do this in my nail design, but when I was doing my other hand before, I accidentally filed off some of the glitter around my cuticle area, and I didn't want to add more gems, so I decided to do a stamping just to kind of blend that in so you don't see that it was missing. So it wasn't necessary on this hand that I'm filming, but I wanted to keep them the same, so I go ahead and add this little extra stamping on top. And I just use a brush dipped in acetone, and I clean up the extra polish from the other design that I don't want on there, as well as around my cuticle, get it all cleaned up. And now it's time for top coat. I'll be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And just look how that top coat looks going on top of the glitter. It just makes it shine, makes it all come to life. And for those encapsulated glitter nails, since it is a clear base underneath, I did go ahead and do a thin layer of that top coat under the nail as well, just to make sure it was all shining through. And so here is how my nails came out. I absolutely love this set. You guys know I love purple. I love purple nails, and I hadn't done like long blingy nails in a while, so this was so fun. These are perfect for springtime. I've been getting lots of compliments on them, and they are holding up so far with all the gems. It's been about a week afterwards. Again, I will be doing a separate video on that, but so far they are holding up super well. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you like seeing my different designs that I do. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.